Did you hear about Bitcoin, but you're not sure exactly what it is? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain what it is, and I'll give you some extra resources if you want to dive in further. I'll be right back.
All this work is love, reminding us why we do it. All this love is work, it hurts to give yourself.
All right, if you're new here, make sure to hit that thumbs up button or the subscribe button for more helpful videos in the future. Now, if you've been here before, this might not be the video for you. It's going to be a little bit boring and technical, but I'd like to explain what Bitcoin is so that you guys have a fundamental understanding of what it is before you move into investing in it, or if you've already invested, just to have some more knowledge about what you've invested in. Before you get involved in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, the first and most important question that you can ask is, what is Bitcoin? It is the first decentralized digital currency. Bitcoins are like digital coins that you can send through the internet, just like we do with an online bank transfer. However, there are many advantages to using Bitcoin over other alternatives. First, you don't have to deal with third parties to transfer money. No banks or clearinghouses, just a peer-to-peer transfer of value. Two, the fees are much lower and the transactions are faster than a bank. Three, you can use them in every country. It has no borders, unlike fiat currencies. Four, your account cannot be frozen. Five, there are no prerequisites or arbitrary limits. So this is pertaining to KYC, know your customer. Bitcoin doesn't care who you are, where you're from, you can use it. So how does it work? Well, there are many different exchanges all over the world that will exchange your local fiat currencies like dollars, euros, yen, in exchange for Bitcoin. Your coins are kept in your digital wallet on your computer or on your cell phone. And once you set up your wallet, sending and receiving Bitcoin is almost as easy as sending an email. It's not quite as easy. But you do want to make sure that you set up the proper security measures because Bitcoin is not regulated or overseen by any one source or entity. So if you lose your Bitcoin, if it gets stolen, it's gone forever. So this is the meat of it. The Bitcoin network or blockchain is secured by individuals called miners. Miners are rewarded newly generated Bitcoins for verifying transactions. After the transactions are verified, they are recorded on a transparent public digital ledger. Now, this is the most important part of the process. The blockchain cannot be modified or changed without the consent of at least 51% of the miners in the network. Once a transaction is complete and recorded, it is confirmed by all the nodes or miners in the network. So everyone's ledger is exactly the same. So this is the decentralization of it. There's no like mainframe with all the information in there. As more transactions are confirmed by the miners, each ledger fills up and is locked away on the blockchain, never to be edited again. These blocks can be seen by the public. So once you familiarize yourself with how to use and peek into the blockchain, you can look up all transactions that have ever happened. That's where the transparency and accountability comes in. So in essence, the Bitcoin blockchain and economy is governed by mathematical algorithms that have no preference to anyone or anything. They carry about a set of commands to keep the economy running smoothly by transferring value back and forth between users and ensuring that no one can spend the same Bitcoin twice. Of course, that's very important. That's what gives it all the value. Bitcoin is completely open source. Anyone can view the code. When knowledge is put out there so openly, it encourages more ideas and creativity, and it allows the public to figure out ways to improve the code that was originally written. So anyone can view the code for Bitcoin. It's open source. Bitcoin is built off of and written by cryptography, which has been used in the past to encrypt messages being sent back and forth between two parties, but it is now used to verify the validity of transactions. And it's estimated that it would currently cost over $30 billion with a B to generate one fake Bitcoin. So rest assured that the Bitcoin network is secured. That's going to be it for this presentation. I'll leave links in the description below for you guys for all of these resources if you want to explore Bitcoin a little bit further. If you found the information useful, hit that thumbs up button, and of course consider hitting that subscribe button if you want more helpful videos in the future. And I will see you guys soon. Much love. Peace.
The more I run, the farther away it seems. What is green is always